In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a recipient's email address in DocuSign through the Manage Contacts feature. Whether you're updating outdated information or correcting a previously entered mistake, making changes to a recipient's email is a straightforward process when you know where to look. Let's get started and walk through this step by step so you can manage your contacts efficiently in 2025. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the DocuSign homepage. If you're not logged in already, make sure to do that by entering your credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already familiar. Knowing your way around will make these tasks much easier. Next, in the navigation bar, find and click on Agreements. This section hosts all the documents you have sent out or need to process. It's essentially your control panel for managing active agreements, so it's crucial to know how to navigate it effectively. If you have a lot of documents, use the search function to locate the specific agreement that needs updating. This saves you valuable time by zeroing in on your target document quickly. Now find the document associated with the recipient whose email you need to change. Once you've found it, look for the icon that features 3 dots. This icon leads to a menu with additional options for the document in question. Clicking on it will provide you access to several actions. What you're interested in here is the Correct function. Click on Correct to proceed. After you're in the correction window, search for the email field you wish to update. This is where you'll enter the new email address. Carefully type in the correct email to avoid any further errors. A typo can lead to delays, so it's a good idea to double check the address before moving on. When you're confident in the accuracy of the new email, click Next. This action essentially confirms the changes you've made and prepares the document for any final adjustments. You're nearly done. The final step is another click on Correct, which seals the changes and updates your document's configuration. Once you've completed these steps, the recipient's email will be successfully updated in the system. And that's it! You've now learned how to efficiently change a recipient's email in DocuSign using the Manage Contacts feature. By following these steps, you ensure smooth document processing and maintain up-to-date records effortlessly. Keep this guide handy for future reference and be ready to tackle any email updates with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next